So ngayong October, November, December, it's the good burr months. So I'm excited. Okay! Ano pa mga tanong niyo? That's a good question. I love your questions like that. So cute. Kayo, what's your guys' motto? My online motto, sorry. My life motto is you only live once. Joke. I don't really have a life motto, but siguro it's marami I don't know a lot. Like I like when I said PBB, when you climb a mountain, climb a higher mountain. It just means to keep going in life. Never settle for what you're at. Kumbaga, don't be comfortable. Always aim to be better because you can always be better. There's always room for improvement. And I love that because for me at least, that keeps me going in any work that I do. That keeps me interested. That doesn't bore me. So it challenges me, and I feeling ko that's the beauty of the journey in our lives. Is the challenges we have to face. Wow! Photo dump when? Gusto nyo ba? Tinatry kong binubuo kaso parang medyo medyo boring. Okay, I'll make one na. Since it's not too late pa. More life advices please. So I would love to share. I mean, I'm also very young lang naman, and it's just siguro advices that I've read or listened to, kaya I love sharing it lang with you guys. It's my finale, ano yan? It's my what? My finals this month. Good luck. I wish you the best. Podcast. Okay, if you guys were to give me a podcast name, a title, what title? O diba, naging brainstorming ng live stream natin. I love this. Parang it's a collaboration indeed. Are you still studying? Yes, I am studying in Southville, business management. And feeling for me, education is still very important, but it's just right now, I really prioritize, I value education. Kumbaga, if I study, I really have to focus on my study. So if I have work, I don't like making sabay kasi nga, I don't want to give half effort to both. If I really want to give it my all, I give it to all, one at a time. And that's important kasi minsan, we do too many things at the same time and nahihirapan tayo i-balance or i-manage. So it's important to prioritize what you can at the moment. Live one day, one step at a time, one day at a time. And feeling ko that you'll honestly progress more when you do it, when you focus on one thing. It's simple as parang small things in a day. When you do the little things first, it will actually lead you to be more productive throughout the day. Joke lang. Shout out from Batangas. Shout out. Wait, this music is so nakakaantok. Okay. That's good. Isa pa kang Man I Need. I like that song. Gonna be the man I need. Thanks for the gifts, guys. Grabe, I appreciate it. Pa-shoutout Imus Cavite. Hello po. Mic'd up with Sager. Pwede. Josie Unseen Pics. Ilagay ko sa dump ko. Pwede naman. Ano yan? Man, it's such a good song, no? Chatting with She's so pretty. You know, Olivia Dean, crush ko siya. Super ganda. Sabihin mo, ano sabihin ko, Papunta ka ba Bacolod? I think. I don't know. I'll post na lang. Say, hi Andrea. Going to Davao. When was the last time I was in Davao? Like July pa. I love Davao. So beautiful. Ganda sa Davao. South Cotabato. Wow, shake head. Bakit ayaw? Wow! Ang ganda ng gifts you guys, ha? In fairness, ha? Wow! already know it. Gonna be the man I need. I want it. Wow, thank you, Jade. Feather tiara. Whoa! Firefox with a dragon. Wow! You know sinong favorite ko nagla-live? Si Tommy Tiangco. Oh my God. Have you guys seen it on your For You page? Tommy? Shoutout sa'yo, bro. Sana ma-shoutout mo ako sa live mo one time. Hi, Dolina! Hi, Dolina. Guys, thanks for the gifts. I appreciate it. Ang unlimited energy, of course. Of course. Kailangan natin laging hyper. Bicol Albay. I will be going this October 17. Sino nasa taga-Albay dito? I'll be there. Emilio's in Albay right now. Or I think. I don't know. But that's what it is. Kamusta ka na, bro? It's been a while. Yes, grabe. Long time. How are you, boys? I want it. Wonderful. Ano yun? Michael version 1? Sana ba maging host kayo? No, sana talaga, no? Hi, do I have events in Manila? I will let you guys know if may mga future ganaps ako soon. October is a fun month, so lots of events where you can see each other, and I'll let you know. Thank you to everybody pala who came to RAR. Wow, cute! Thank you, Clouds! Ang cute tong gifts! Naliw ako. To FDCP, the film event in Robinsons, Manila. Thank you guys for going. And I appreciate all of you who went, who supported me, Esteer, River, and Will. Maraming salamat po. Love you guys. That was so cute. I love events like that para, you know, makapagkulitan with you guys. Ang saya-saya lang. Okay, what's another song I like? Okay. Olivia Dean. I'm Olivia Dean fan eh. May aabangan ba sa Mixi? Aabangan mo kami sa... Yan, abangan nyo na lang po yan, guys. Malakas. Yes, prayers po to everybody in Cebu. I hope you guys are safe. It's a very strong earthquake. Have a good day. Kayo rin. Sorry guys, I went live such a random time. Ano ba, pag ganitong oras ba nasa school pa ba kayo? Or nasa trabaho? Recommend a movie. Ano yun? Ganda mo raw, ano? Nakita ng ate ko sa Rom Manila. Super guwapo raw. Aw, thank you, dear ate. Hi, ate. Ito na ba si Mingyu? Wow. School po habang nanood sa live. Wow. Oh my God, guys. Sorry. Gala na ulit. Diyos mio. Kaya nga eh. Okay, nakakaantok eh. Gusto ko yung mga upbeat. Ano mga upbeat songs? Like this. Ito. I love this song. Watching from Malaysia. Ooh, hi Malaysia. I love this song. And I love Kuya TJ, so. From Marinduque. Kababayan. Here na lang. Will you watch the concert ng Beanie? I will try. Sana makanood kami. Honey, Our Daily Bread. Oh, may Michael pa yan. At may letter. Ah, hindi! Ah, yes. No, this is from Tita Con. This is what I brought in sa PBB house. Guys, promise, this is a really good book. Kahit anong gawin nyo sa buhay nyo, anong career man, nagagamit yung matutunan mo sa book na to. It's called Becoming a Person of Influence. You don't have to be an artista, you don't have to be an influencer or anything. It's just good to have leadership skills or skills that will help you understand people you're working with or you're with, relationships and everything. It's a really good book. Also from Tita Connie. It's really good. I have more about these, just a few lang. Tuesdays with Maury. Cute book. Ito I haven't read yet. Ego is the Enemy. My sister told me to get this, so yeah, guys, I love books. And honestly, because of BBB, I've been able to read or like find my love for reading again. Kasi before nun, parang hindi masyadong napabasa. But because of BBB, nung time na gusto ko mas kumalma and manahimik, I would read all the time. And so yun. So check those books out. Thank you, Nicole D. Anong favorite perfume ko? Secret. Joke lang. Iba-iba po eh. Hindi na kita Thank you for the book, Greg. Thank you, Cats. Cats, I love your edits, your mga posts. Kite Runner. Okay. 5 People You Meet in Heaven. That's by the same author. Minsan nga, when I go to like the bookstores, I bought the free books from Hong Kong rin eh. They're really nice. I wanna buy all kasi parang they're all interesting. Hindi na kita. Ok na pala. October 9. Yeah, guys. Grabe. Wake up. It's the first of the month. I wake up with no heart. Okay. I need more songs. Na upbeat. Ano mga upbeat songs? Clear. I need upbeat songs. Pretty Woman. Yes. Okay, you know what? I'll play that na lang ulit. 5, 4, 3. Pretty woman rolling down my street. Pretty woman. It's a good song, eh. Famous. Ay, this is a teaser. Uy, thanks for the gifts. Wow, dancer. I love reading books. It's good. Nagkaon ka na, lab. Maayong hapon. Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Namit gid. Yay! When you're mine. Samra! Guys, this is my favorite pillow. This is Donut ni Josh. I bought it after PBB. Donut! I gotta do it, eh. Hey! So okay, I bought. But they do it so well. Ang galing ni Ralph and ni Josh. Kasi it's super tagal. Pretty woman. Hey, Donut. Screenshot nyo na lang. Diba? Hey! Natapos ko na. My Long Girl Shining in a Dance. Excited for your next. Anong iPhone gamit ko? iPhone po. Gusto ko anong bago eh. Woo! Look at that. One, two, eight. It's so fun to dance. When ang favorite film Top Gun. Top Gun's one of my favorite. Nick Sager. How are you? I'm okay. TikTok with Kira. Samurai! Wow! Takot-takot yung mga games. Grabe guys, we had a galaxy, we had the dragons, the corgis. Grabe kayo today ah. Thank you guys. And I love you. Telebir, telebir. Pretty woman. Crypto! Guess what I said to my dog? Pretty woman. Guys, say hi to Crypto. Hey. Hey. Pretty woman. Hey, it's my dog. That's my baby. She's iconic. Let's play that nga. Go. Hey, mali spelling. Go. Aray. Go. Baby. Ah. Hi, Crypto. Isn't he so cute, guys? Say hi, Crypto. Guys, kung gusto nyo po nang bilhin ng laruan si Crypto, damit, diaper, mag-add to cart na po kayo. Bilhin nyo na po tong aso na to. At kulit kasi. Guys, buy one, get two. That's my baby. Aray! Oh my God! What is that? Wow! Star map! Grabe! Oh, dahil may star map sa inyo na itong aso na to! Joke lang! This is my baby. She's iconic. Taga Marinduque. Marinduque. Yes po. From Gasan. Guys, thanks for the gifts Gifted that. Salamat po. Do I miss Near? Yes! Alam mo, when I saw her sa event namin, aray! Tama na. Okay, but wait lang. Hey. When I saw Esther at my event, I was so happy. Grabe. That's my baby. Anong name ng dog? Crypto. Aww. Play mo na. That's my baby. Oh my God! Night Star again. Thank you. Ay! Alam mo, sa nag-gift ng famahal, the cake, it's so cute. I kept your letter. It's in my car. Super nakita na ko sa letter. Ganda ng, thank you Whoever, if you're watching, anyone from, from Famahal. You guys are great. Keep supporting Esnir and everybody. And Sinabred, right? Famahal. Ano sabihin ko? Bakit crypto name niya? Kasi ako si Superman. No, favorite ko kasi Superman movie. And the dog there, so cute. And the dog's name is Crypto. That's my baby. She's iconic. iPhone case, lip gloss on it. He's crying. I know. Kasi he has to go outside muna. It's okay, he's outside naman. That's my baby. Captain Barbara. Superman na. Kailan mo invite si AC? Well, I've been asking her to come, but ayaw niya. So Alam mo dahil dyan, mag-cup of joe tayo. I watched them live for the first time. Grabe, iba pala yung pakiramdam na live kumanta sila sa harapan mo. Itong ano, wait, ito muna, random ko muna. Sorry. Okay, yan na. Nagba-Valorant ka. Mag-live na kaya ako, tapos live kami ni Will. I'm so bad at games. Hindi ko magaling sa mga ganun eh. Magdahil kay Will, sige. Regaluhan niya ako laptop. Saan ko kami? Got Budol! Buy you on Sunny Sun without the same time. Like, oh, that's so cute kaya. Oh, see? I just don't have the boot. But see, guys? It's a good purchase, wasn't it? Purchase, wasn't it? Do you miss Running Man? I do. I saw a tweet recently. Parang you guys were watching my guesting last year. Thank you for watching. I really miss Running Man. That was one of my favorite TV guestings. PBB and then Running Man. Before it was Running Man talaga. Iba talaga pag reality TV show. That's my dream. To either be a part of PBB as a host or to be a part of Running Man as a runner. Parang, oh my God, dream come true yun for me. That's like, oh my God. Lord, let's manifest it na. Ikaw ang tanging dahilan, no, babe. Yung tipong kahit wala. Saan si Ribs? Shout out to Vancouver. Shout out. Si Ribs po ay nasa Sins of Thy Father. Manood kayo. Simple random things to say. I love you. These are the gifts, guys. I'll probably go and end in a bit. If you guys have any more questions, go for it. What's a good song to end? Crypto! What's a good song? Okay, what's a good song, guys? Na energetic. Has to be energetic. Miss ka na ng Bacolod. Super sarap sa Bacolod. Oh my God, yung chicken inasal. My favorite. Alam mo yung Sapphire ni Ed Sheeran is good. I don't need it at this moment. The music video is really cool, right? Nandito ako. How much do I... Pasyalan po, P-pop trainee. Good luck. Galingin mo. You can do it. From UAE? Tama ba? Dubai? Hello po. Isang MV with Josie. Yeah, that'd be so cool. Watching from Russia. Wow. Gorilla Grip. What's that song? One Year name Bacolod ko. Yeah, grabe no? Sapphire by Ed Sheeran. And you don't know anybody but you know me. Nandito ako. Watching from Lanao del Norte. I love Lanao. Sana makabalik tayo dyan eh. Tito Ron! Thank you, Tito Ron. What you want now? Alam mo, gusto ko yung sabi mo, tama na. What's that song called? Okay, alam ko na. Support natin si Paul and Ballin. I love this guy. Lagi kami nagkakasama sa mga guestings niya sa Showtime at sa All Out Sundays. Yellow Basket ang tumbler, guys. This is Sunny's. Bilhin nyo na to. Wala akong Yellow Basket dito. Pero it's one of my favorite tumblers. It's so like, it's a good size eh. It's a good size, no? And then it's cute pa. Pababa. Eh. Teach me how to pogi. You know, well, you guys, thanks for the gifts, ha? Grabe ang daming gifts today. I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Ballin. Hey! Oh my God! Alam ko na gagawin natin. Ito. Ay! Oh my God, may spelling. Yeah. Okay, ready? Dahil I didn't do the trend properly. Oh my God. Manifesting music video, guys, thank you. If you want to see my music video I did with Zach Tabudlo, that was really fun. Maloloko. But sana, you know, I would love to do one with Easy, with Joanna, kahit sino. Para masaya. Ano masasabi ko sa kasal? Sana all, di ba? Alam mo masasabi na. I should have my tongue. Gorilla Grip. Okay. Gorilla Grip. What? Yan. Gorilla. Like sugar on my tongue. Dance collab with Tommy Chanko. Sige. Game. Like sugar on my tongue. Tapos mo isang song. Oh my God, sorry na. Alam ko some people have that's their pet peeve. Sorry. Well, 293,000 likes sa'yo. Thank you, guys. I'll probably end na after the song. I just want to say thank you for spending time with me. Pagchikahan tayo. I miss you guys. And I hope I can go live again soon. Hey, thanks for the gifts. Grabe, thank you guys talaga for the gifts. You don't have to. It's not needed na. Just you being here is already enough. But sa nagbagsak po, maraming salamat. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, Oy. See you, saw you at Clarice concert. Talaga ba? Kailangan mabalik na Vancouver. Pagbalik ko ng Vancouver, sasabihan kita para yan, magkita tayo. Dilaw. Amo bang munti ka na sumuko ang... You're my living River Matias. Who's River Matias? Isa. MNL Nike Quintos. Oh my pumpkin! MNL 48. Ano nga yun? Hi Ron! Grabe Ron, how are you bro? Shucks! Remember Running Man? Yes, my favorite. Shout from New Zealand. Hello po. Diamonds Marinoke, of course. Gorilla Grip. This is a good song. Someone recommended this. Thank you. Please play Dahan. What's Dahan? Dahan, dahan lang, dahan, dahan, dahan. Okay, guys. That's it na. I will be ending my live. Thank you guys again for joining me. Ron, thank you, bro. And I hope to see all of you guys soon. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. Drink your water. Eat well. Lahat na. Sweet dreams. See you guys. Ingat kayo. Love you all. Yeah. Bye, guys. Have a good day.